Hi, Papa. You're learning the piano? Yeah? You're learning the piano? Alright, let's go. Game 5. Alright, so I'm going to be doing something a little different today. I'm going to be showing you guys a POV drive to my mother-in-law's house with my Meta glasses. So usually I use my DJI. Please don't mind the mess. I usually use my DJI Action 4 right here. It's a really good little setup. But you know what? I was like, let me use my Meta Ray-Bans to record. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, and there she is. There's that beautiful car. Oh, my wife's car. And we're going to be taking this on a drive. First, we just got to put in baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby Anthony. Oh, I forgot. Not this side. This side. My bad. Too happy. Ay, papa. This is what happens when you're born into a YouTuber family. A YouTuber dad. Yeah? Yeah. Too happy. I love you, papa. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Oh, so there you go. We're inside my wife's Nissan Kicks. Let's hear the startup noise. Ooh, amazing. You hear that V8? You hear that V12? I know you guys hear that V12. The only thing I don't like about doing a POV with these glasses is the fact that it's not wide enough and that it doesn't record horizontally. It's just vertical for like TikTok or Instagram. I know a lot of people wonder like what it's like doing POV videos with these glasses, which is why I'm doing this video, so that you guys could kind of get like a point of reference of what's it like to POV with these glasses. Maybe you guys are in the fence of buying some Meta Ray-Bans, and well, this is what it's like. You know, you could either post TikTok videos how it is like that, or you could zoom it in so that it could fit a 16:9 ratio for your long form content on YouTube, but it's not going to be so zoomed in, which is what I mean, you know. So I'm gonna zoom it in. Maybe there'll be some parts where I leave it how it is so that you guys can see how it records. But this is going to be a long form video, so I am going to have to zoom it in, so keep that in mind. If you guys check out my other videos, and I really do recommend you guys checking my other videos, that is with the DJI Action 4 that I showed you guys earlier in this video. And with that one, I do get a really wide field of view. So I guess you guys could compare it with that. You know, compare these Meta Ray-Bans with that DJI, see which one you like. Personally, I like the DJI just because it's super wide. But with that one, I do have to have it like clipped onto my hat. And with these glasses, it's so convenient because I literally just put them on my face. Just press the button to record, and that's it. I don't have this feeling that I have a camera on my face. It's literally just me like driving. What song is that? Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat. Alright, let's go, let's go. Let's try to beat these cars, because I am eventually gonna have to go on this right lane. You know what? Let me just switch right now. No. Oh well, let's just wait. Oh man, another thing you guys need to keep in mind if you guys are wanting to get these glasses is that you could only record for a maximum of 3 minutes per clip or per segment. And just keep in mind also, the more you record, the more the battery goes down, especially with these generation 1s. The recording time is like, I want to say 2 hours if you fully use the 3 minutes and you consecutively record, you're only gonna get, I would say, maximum 1 hour of usage. But that's why you have the charging case. That way you could recharge it, and luckily it charges pretty quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and just charge that for you guys right now. Yeah, that's the only bad side with these generation 1s. I know the generation 2, the battery life is far better. It's like 8 hours. You know, I think that's way better. So, you know, just get the generation 2. I think that's the only one they sell. I don't even think they sell the generation 1s anymore. So if you get the generation 2s, just know that you're gonna get better battery life, which is really good. But sadly, I got these generation 1 before they announced the generation 2, so I kind of just had to get these. Alright, let's go. Light turn green. Oh my gosh, bro. All that noise for what? Where are you going? Yeah, it's a little sunny right now too. Like the glare is all up in my face right now. So we'll see how this camera does with all this glare. And all the audio that you guys are hearing are going to be straight off these glasses. I know a lot of people, they decide to like record through a microphone or something. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to let the audio be from these glasses. Alright, so I need to go to the 605 right here. Hopefully there's a car that goes here, 605 north. Alright, we Gucci. Alright, let's see if freeway is packed. I didn't really check my GPS before heading over here. Usually I do, but whatever. Let me step a little back, that way you guys can see the POV. Traffic is pretty moderate. Alright, let's go. I mean, there is some traffic, but not too much. A little more than usual. I mean, it is 5:22. I just forgot my watch. I just noticed. 5:22. That's like rush hour traffic over here in LA. Well, I'm sure pretty much everywhere. Turned it. Oh man, why is the ramp looks packed? I wonder why. Alright, let's just go. Oh man, well, I mean, I think it's just the ramp, because I think the traffic for the 91, it looks like it's going okay. I need to merge all the way to the carpool lane, so let's start switching, because it's traffic. People are not going to want to let me in. Everyone is a petty driver nowadays. Yep, and this car beat me to it. I know, but yeah, let me just see if I could squeeze in here. Let's see, can this guy let me go through? Thank you, sir. He is letting me go through. Thank you. Alright, let's just go. Oh man, why is the ramp looks packed? I wonder why. I think it's just the ramp, because I think the traffic for the 91, it looks like it's going okay. here. Thank you, sir. I need to go all the way to the carpool lane. Thank you, sir. I keep cutting this guy off, but it's because I need to turn left too. I know. I see it. There you go. Oh my gosh. Holding my breath all the way through. Yeah, so in the carpool lane, we're chilling. We just need to take this all the way towards Compton and we're good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Why is there traffic on the carpool lane? I need to know. Lead the way, truck. Lead the way. Made it. This is our exit. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Goodbye, freeway. Alright, and I think that's pretty much going to be all for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to click all the other videos that YouTube is going to recommend. I'm sure you guys are going to like them. And I'll see you guys on the next one.